with this black and white in the back is cool, or?
Yeah.
So we have here in the back a 180 centimeter softbox. It's great. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Nice. Perfect. 2, 3. Really good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We are right now in a live stream with the beautiful Model Lia from Rome, Italy. And yeah, we make this kind of amazing portraits right now. I explain you shortly how we do this light. So Lia, please go back to your position. So we have here in the back a 180 centimeter softbox. And here we have a normal, I show you this shortly with our mobile cam. And here we have a normal 60 to 40 centimeter softbox. Here is our thing. And now it's important to go here, yeah, and look in this direction where I later photograph. So it is important now that she is not standing completely under the softbox, a little bit in the back. And yeah, we do a little bit a tether shoot. And I give you shortly the camera settings. We have a shutter speed for 180, an f-stop for 1.4, and an ISO 160. The thing is, we just shoot with the setting lights of the flashes. We don't flash at all. And yeah, we have to be a bit careful because we have 85 millimeters lens, and 80 from the hand isn't easy to handle. So it's important to count the model in with 3, 2, 1 photo, 3, 2, 1 photo. So I would say we don't lose any time and go further. 1, 2, 3. I come a little bit closer. Look to me. Awesome. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 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 And the last image. What? No. Hold. I have to do it again. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Hello. Oh. If it's like a child stream now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a child stream. Look at our beautiful, wait, I make it big. Look at our beautiful model. Oh. So now make a dancing move. Something, you know something? Oh, ballerina. Really cool, really cool. Really cool. So we do pictures. You're in the mood for? Perfect. Then go back to this where you was. I pick up my camera and then I look that we have a good view on our setup. Perfect. And we start. Yeah. So don't go so high. Oh, that's good. That's good. Stay like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Nice. You see what we do? It looks so good. And 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Really good. Nice. 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 Oh yeah, stay like this. Stay like this. Nice. Can you go with the hand? Yeah, perfect. Wait. Nice. So I focused now once. Oh yeah, that's good. Can you go further? That's really cool that you go. No, just with your hands. You go.
Okay.
Yeah. Go to me with your hands. Yeah, perfect. And nice. Nice. That's good. That's good. That's good. Stay like this. Nice. Perfect. Okay, now you can stand normal again. I go now until here with the cut. That we see this beautiful dress. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 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 Look to me. Nice. Oh yeah. Cool. Head up. Yeah, perfect. And turn a bit more to the light. Oh yeah, that's great. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Nice. Perfect. Look at this. You like it?
Yeah.
When we like something, we do this. Perfect. This like it should be. Perfect. So, looks great. Cigarette ready. Perfect. Nice. You want to see the example? Yeah. Show you this. So what I really like is she goes with her shoulders in front, and then you get this bones out, and you don't have to make the hairs wet. You don't have to, sure not. And for tomorrow, we have really tiny photographers. We can't let you wear these heels. You are too tall for the photographers. It's not good. You want to do it the opposite side because of your...
This?
Yeah, this is your favorite side of the face, or?
Yes. You think.
Then we do it the opposite, or? No. Because this isn't your favorite side. Your favorite side is this side. Yeah, perfect. So then we make our... Now is it really important, Lia, that you go always with the nose up. Otherwise, we make horrible images, and I don't want to do bad images. I think you also not, or? No. Say no. Say no. 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 Stronzo. No. I make only a test image. 1 second. So, make here shortly space. Just so looking what the backdrop does. Whoa, it's already good. Wait, show you. It's already good. But now we need the light from above. Perfect. Really good. We have a white backdrop, as you see here. Then we have in the back a 180 centimeter softbox, who stand, so 1.5 meters away from the white backdrop. And we flash with this big, huge light against the white backdrop. Then we have here a beauty dish pointed to the ceiling with a minimum of distance to the ceiling. Why this minimum of a distance to the ceiling? So we get a little bit a harder light and a constant light from above, so that gives us the contrast we need to make this kind of images. And Lia, what do you think? We start, huh? Our photo camera, just that you know which setups we use. We have a shutter speed of 160, a f-stop from 2.0, and an ISO 100. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, really good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I go a little bit around the model and try to get a bit the studio flare. It looks also nice, really good. We go back, turn a bit more in this direction. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, perfect. 1, 2, 3. Really good. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Nice, nice. Really good. Love it. What a stunning shot. Oh, that's great. Nice. 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 Really good. Stay like this. Look to me up. Nice. Perfect. Stay. That's good. Now you are really dominant and you look down to me, okay? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 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 Thank you for watching the video until now, and really appreciate this. And if you give us a subscription, then you get a notification when we go next time live. You can be a part of our live stream. I would appreciate it. And let's say so, we see us on the next live stream. Bye.